Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor text animation effects. Adding motion to your text can instantly make your website more engaging and professional. So let's walk through how to set this up step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages, then select Add Page. This will create a new blank page where we can work with our animated text. Now type your desired text into the title field at the top of the page. This will serve as your page title, but we'll be adding more customized text in just a moment. Once you've done that, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click it. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is where all the magic happens. You'll notice the Elementor editor opens with a left panel showing all available widgets. From this panel, find the heading widget and drag it onto your page canvas. This widget is specifically designed for text that you want to stand out, and it's perfect for applying animation effects. After placing the heading widget on your canvas, you'll see options appear in the left panel. In the title field within these options, type the text you want to animate. This could be a headline, a call to action, or any text you want to draw attention to. Next, click on the Advanced tab in the left panel. This tab contains more sophisticated customization options beyond basic styling. Once you're in the Advanced tab, look for the section labeled Motion Effects and expand it by clicking on it. This is where you'll unlock the animation features. Within Motion Effects, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Entrance Animation. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with a variety of animation effects to choose from. For this example, select an effect like Fade In Up. This effect makes your text smoothly fade in while moving upward, creating a sleek and modern appearance. If you want to add a slight delay before the animation starts, locate the Animation Delay field and set it to 0.5 seconds. This delay can be useful if you want to stagger animations or give users a moment to focus before the text appears. And that's it. You've successfully added animation effects to your text using Elementor. Your text will now animate when visitors scroll to it, making your page more dynamic and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.